Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to install transportation WordPress template. First of all, we should log in at cPanel. For example, if you would like install it on your website, on your domain name, you should log in cPanel. In our case, we have cPanel here. This is standard hosting on Linux-based hosting cPanel. First of all, we should create MySQL base. Please find button named MySQL database and click on it. Write name of your database. For example, transport. Database has been created successfully. I have clicked on create database. Now database is here. Now we should create user for this base. Please write, for example, your name or any name. For example, WordPress or George. George. My name is George, for example. And password. Confirm. And create user. Demo user George has been created successfully. Now we should give to this user access on this base here and click add. Check all privileges and then make changes. Go to back. Now everything is okay. We have created base, then created user for this base and give to this user access to all privileges for this base. Now we can go back and now we should upload WordPress on the server. Click File Manager. If you would like install your template in the root of your server, you should do it in public HTML folder here. We have already uploaded WordPress installation zip package, which we downloaded from wordpress.org official website and uploaded it here by this upload button. Now we should set this zip package and click extract. Extract files has been extracted and we should enter into this folder, then set all files and package and drag and drop it in public HTML folder here because we should install it in the root of our server. Everything is okay now. Now we can start installation process. What we should do next step is write our domain name and click enter. We will redirect to the installation page and can start installation process. Click continue, then let's go. Write database name. Database name is just a moment, transport. It was our name. Then username is George, this one. Then password, I have used it, I remember. Write your password, it is standard password. And everything is okay. You can click submit. Then click run installation. Write title of your website, for example, transportation company. Then username of your WordPress admin area. We can write admin and password can write, for example, standard password. Then confirm use weak password, then your email address and click install WordPress. WordPress has been installed successfully. Now we can log in our dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Admin is our username and password is standard password, and click login. As you can see, WordPress has been installed successfully. In this video tutorial, we have created base, then user for this base, then we give to this user access on database and have installed WordPress. In the second step, I'll show you how to install transportation theme in WordPress. Thank you.